It's Stephanie, and today I'm going to be filming a drugstore makeup look for you all. Everything shown in this video is 100% from the drugstore / beauty supply store, so you can find this stuff at your local Target, Walgreens, CVS, beauty supply store, all that good stuff. Yeah, I wanted to do a drugstore fun makeup for you all. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and make sure you hit the bell button so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Be sure to leave some comments down below on how you felt, and yeah, without further ado, let's go right into this video. So starting off with my bare face, I'm going to be taking the NYX HD Photo Finish Primer. And I never used this primer before, and I was not expecting it to be white like that, but I'm using this to prime my face. And I'm taking the NYX Tame and Frame pomade, dip brow pomade thing, and I'm going to be using this to fill in my brows. I never used this before either, but I really liked it. I'm going to be using this a lot more often, so yeah. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and the shade I use is Warm Honey, and I'm going to be taking this to just clean up my eyebrows. Y'all know the drill. I typically don't do my brows on camera, but this is just a little cameo. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara to use as a brow gel and just lay down them brow hairs. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the orange corrector color, and I typically don't really use color corrector, but I figured I use it today. Don't know why, but yeah. And I just use this to, you know, help brighten them dark areas on my face. So around my mouth, under my eyes, and around my nose are typically my darker areas, and my chin. Just did because I didn't have a drugstore setting powder, but this was actually pretty good, so yeah, I was surprised. I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation, and y'all, I promise this is not as orange as it looks. It does oxidize extremely quickly. When I put this on, I literally looked like a little Oompa Loompa in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. But it does oxidize really beautifully, and it matches my skin color really well. So I'm using this foundation, and I really love it. The coverage is bomb.com, okay? Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. I'm taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm using this to conceal under my eyes and, you know, highlight my face and all this. I absolutely love this concealer. My favorite drugstore concealer ever. I've been using it for a while. As you can see, I'm halfway done. I love this concealer so much. It's very vibrant blue, and I love this pencil so much. I love the blue. I think it's just gorgeous. Like, it really tied everything together. And I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal Spider Effect mascara just to prep my lashes and put it on my bottom lashes and prep my lashes for lashes. I'm taking the Ardell Faux Mink Demi Wispy lashes with the Duo Adhesive Glue. That's my all-time favorite glue, and the Ardell Demi Wispies are like my all-time favorite lashes because they're like great for every occasion. So yeah, I just really love these lashes. And now I'm taking the mascara to just, blend my fake lashes and my real lashes together. And this completes the eye look. I honestly winged it, and I love how it turned out. Didn't plan it, just went with the flow. And yeah. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray to set my face. And then I'm taking the Black Radiance highlighter in Ginger Snap. And I'm going to be using this as my highlight. And I really like how natural and glowy this highlight is. Like, this is definitely a great everyday highlight. I'm just putting that on the high points of my face. Y'all know how this goes. Y'all know the drill. And I forgot to contour my nose earlier, so I'm just contouring it now with the same Black Radiance palette. Just wiping off any makeup on my lips with my Real Techniques eraser sponge to prep my lips for my lip color. I'm taking the NYX Lip Lingerie lip gloss. They have lip glosses now. I'll put the shade in the description bar because I forgot it, but it's this really pretty, like, shimmery pink gloss. I love it so much. It's so cute. It wasn't as glossy as I wanted it to be. It was more metallic, so I added a clear Beauty Supply Store lip gloss to make it like more glossy, and that completes the look. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys found it helpful. I wanted to do something vibrant for the summertime, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. All these products will be in the description bar down below, so make sure you check out the description bar if you want to purchase any of these items. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.